The Telegami app. Telegami. Create and share a quick animated message called Agami. Now click on Next. Here's a Agami tutorial. All you have to do is click on the white arrow and she will take you through the steps in which you make your Agami. Here's where we get started. On the left-hand side, you can customize your character, change its mood, or choose a setting. So, here we are, the background and your Agami. On the left-hand side, let's go ahead and change this character around. So the body, let's customize this character. We can change the gender. Just by pressing the gender button, all of a sudden, the gentleman will show up. There he is. Now you can change his skin tone, hair color, and his clothes as well. You can make him taller, you can make him shorter. You can move him to the left side, to the right side, just like you can the other Agami. You can now click on skin tone and change your skin tone, and you can see I've done that. I've given this Agami green eyes. There are the color choices to your right. In this picture, you can change her head size. This can get quite funny. Now you can see the hair color choices. You can change that for free, and this one hairstyle is free. But if you choose to change the hairstyle, notice the locks on each of the other four choices. It costs $1.99 for each one. So I think it would be important to tell your students not to touch those because the app will automatically purchase it if they hit accept on the next screen if it pops up. This style is free. You have 4 color choices. Notice the 3 other styles cost. This style of pants is free, and you have 3 color choices, gray, blue, or black. The other 3 styles cost. Shoe colors can be changed from brown to black, but notice the styles, they also cost $1.99. I've changed my Agami to be happy. Now let's create a background. On the left, you will click on the background icon, and on the right, all of these choices pop up. So we click on the free icon, and this is what you get. So all of these choices have come up, and you can scroll through them, and you've seen I've chosen the stage background with the red curtain. You can choose multiple ones and change them throughout your presentation. Here are 3 more choices that show up under the road trip icon. Now I have clicked on the camera icon and taken a picture of my barrister bookshelves with The Night Before Christmas books. Say I wanted to do a presentation about that. I could use this setup. Also, if you clicked on the library icon underneath of the camera, you will be able to pull up your own photographs from your folder off of your iPad. So at the very bottom of the list, you see a fall leaf with a lock on it. That reminds you that it costs to be able to use these 5 pictures of the seasons as backgrounds that they have for you. The final button is the doodle button, and it allows you to draw and write and erase things if you want to add something to a background picture on your own, or if the students want to. You can also adjust your character by dragging and pinching her and rotating her by swiping her around to reposition her in your scene. Next, you can record your voice by clicking on the message icon, and then you will see some other icons that will instruct you. You can click on the microphone and it will record your voice, and you can preview it to make sure it is what you want it to say. And then also you can text it and type it, but that costs as well, and have one of the multiple voices say what you want it to say. Here, if you press on the share icon in the bottom left corner, you can show off and share your Gami with others. You can connect to YouTube, Flickr, Facebook, and upload it to a multitude of places.